how much you charge? And you can't believe how many times I get asked this question. So I run a community, as some of you all are part of the community. I get this asked so much in the community. Hi, Bo, I want to pitch to a client for a brochure. How much do I charge? Hi, Bo, I'm picking up a social media mandate for a client. How much do I charge? And people will give them figures, right? And because the community, it's an open community. Someone will say 1 lakh, someone will say 20,000 bucks, someone's going to say 40,000 bucks. The truth is that there is no flat fee. There is no flat fee. I have done a piece of, and this is a true story. I've done a piece of work for the same piece of work for client A. I've charged 5 lakhs. From client B, I've charged 2 lakhs. From client C, I've charged a bottle of wine. There is no money. The way you should look at this is through a lot of research. You should see first, how much experience do I have? How much can I charge, first of all? If you spent 1 year in the industry and to write one social media post with design, let's say you want to charge 2,500 bucks. That's ridiculous. No one's going to pay that money. You have zero portfolio. Who's going to pay that money? But let's say you get someone who has 20 years of work experience. I can charge the company. I don't even get into social media, but if I did, I would charge much more than that. I think. I don't know. For writing a website, people charge 10,000 bucks, people charge 50,000 bucks, some people charge 2 lakhs. There is no flat fee. It depends on so much of things, right? What you will charge to write a digital film versus what I'll charge to write a digital film will be very different, because what you bring to the table and what I bring to the table are so different. So there is no flat fee. But and of course, it depends on the portfolio and the whole bunch. If you have a portfolio, have you done work to prove that you can actually charge this much? It depends on a whole bunch of shit. Okay. Now, what I've done is say thank you. Say thank you first.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Steven, have you tried this out?
It's freaking awesome.
Okay. This is what this is. It's called the Freelance Free Calculator. Okay, here's what it looks like.
I've recently used this calculator actually.
Yeah. Okay, so let's try this out. Hey, I want to charge for a brochure that has 20 pages. Charge. Oh, no.
This is just for
I
copywriting.
have.
Right? This is
It's just for copywriting. I have 3 years of experience. So 3 years of experience, base fee is 40. Okay. Now let's say, hey, I want to charge for a months of social media work. I have 10 years of experience. How much will I charge? Okay. Now, this is obviously not a perfect science. No calculator is a perfect science. What this is supposed to do is that it's supposed to give you a number that you should not go down from. This is your no regret fee. Okay. This gives you a number that you know that, okay, from this number down, I should not take. If your fee, you know that you should be making 24, now you build. Right? So your proposal that you send out should be at a 35, 40 or so. because there's going to be negotiations. You can factor in, is this going to need design work? If it needs design work, please factor in that cost as well, because that's time cost. All of that happens. Okay.